Hi there. In this video, we're going to look at how to create an assessment using the AI tools in Almanack. To start, from your homepage, you'll select AI tools on the left-hand toolbar. From here, you'll select quizzes, tests, assessments. This will open up your screen where you'll see where you can add the lesson that you would like it to pull from or a general topic that you would like for your resource. I'm going to select my course. I'm going to select first grade social studies. And my lesson is going to be roles and responsibilities in a community. Once I've selected both of those, I can click next. Then it would like to know if I would like this based on learning objectives or something else. And the something else can be a document, a link, a YouTube video, or even a resource that you've already created in Almanack. But I'm going to select lesson learning objectives, and I can see them here if I want to edit them or look at them again. Then click next. Here's where I have my three types of creation methods with AI. I can have AI automatically create something for me. I can give it custom instructions, or I can let AI give me suggestions and pick from the suggested formats. If you would like to see a detailed video on all three of these methods, please check out our video, Ways to Create with AI Tools in Almanack. That's linked here and in the video description. I'm going to use custom instructions this time, and I've already got some custom instructions that I'm going to paste in this box. So it's got a bunch of instructions to follow for the assessment, and I'm going to click generate, and let's see what happens. Okay, so now it's asking me to add questions. I'm going to add some multiple choice questions, and it's going to generate those for me now. Then I want to add some matching. I want to add, let's do 4 matching questions. It's going to add the matching on top. Then maybe I want to do 2 fill in the blank questions. It's going to give me a word bank for those as well. So only give me 2, that's fine. And then I want to do a diagram labeling with 1 diagram. And let's see what it comes up with. So I have to click here to add an image. And it's going to search Google for me. So I can select this and add this image. I can show my answers to everything in my test from toggling this on up here. And then when I'm ready to export, I can export with answers to a PDF, a Google Doc, a Bookit, a Gimkit, a Wayground, Kahoot, or Quizlet. Or I can export just the PDF, the Google Doc, or the Google form of my assessment for my students. And I can always delete it at the top as well. Let's look and see how it does with Google Forms if I export it to Google Forms. Oh, wow, this is great. This was really great. Of course, it didn't put the diagram in because that would be kind of hard to do, but it did put everything else in as well. So that is creating an assessment with Almanack AI. See you next time. Bye.